Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. I am Muhammad Lutfi Ilham from Senior High School 1 South Bengkulu. And I am standing here as the first speaker of affirmative team with our motion today. This house would arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performance rather than on their ego. Before I'll go to my main argument, I need to tell you what is our motion today, and I need to tell you the definition of our motion today. So firstly, intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. Academic performance is measurement of students' achievement across various academic subjects. So the meaning of our motion today is this house would arrange students in classroom based on their ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills, and also based on their measurement of students' achievement across various academic subjects rather than on their age. So our status quo today is students still arranged in classrooms by their age. So we know that by the data from PISA, Indonesian Program for International Students Assessment, our beloved country Indonesia is in rank 72 in 77 country. That is one of the lowest rank, and that is so bad. Nowadays, in our school, students still arranged in their classrooms by their age, not their intelligence and academic performances. The students in one class has many different intelligences, talent, and academic performances because of this system causes a lot of problem which can make the learning process is not optimal. So, I challenge the status quo and agree with this motion, which is this house would arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performances rather than on their age. So, my first argument is the learning competition. In our system nowadays, which is arrange the students in the classroom by their age, cannot make the learning competition in the class work, which can make the students with high intelligence do not develop and not able learn new things. The students with high intelligence have to compete with the students with the low intelligence or with the low academic performances, will make them unmotivated, will make the students with the high intelligence unmotivated because of there is no learning competition in our bad system, which is arrange the students by the age. With arrange the students in classroom by their intelligence and academic performance, it can make students with high intelligence become motivated because a lot of competition in the learning process and they can compete with other high intelligence students. That's why I will challenge this status quo now, which is students still arranged in classrooms by their age, and I agree with our motion today, which is say that this house would arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performance rather than on their age. So my second argument is students' right. We know that because there are many gaps in talent and intelligence in our system today, which is arranged the students by the class, it can make students with low academic performances cannot compete with the other students which has high academic performances, and it can make their performance become worse. The right of the students is every student get the best teaching for themselves and according to their own abilities. Because of our system today, which is arrange the students in the class by their age, will make students don't get their right to deserve the best teaching and according to their own abilities. The school should give the best service for the students. The problem is they can get the best service because the students with the high performances cannot get the motivated because of the learning, because of there is no learning competition, and the students with the low academic performances cannot get the best lesson for them because it is not according to their abilities. And because of that, I challenge the status quo now and agree with our motion today, which is this house would arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performances, not on their age. So, my third argument is optimalize teacher to provide the lesson. This is my last argument. So, why am I said it? Our motion today can optimalize teacher to provide the lesson, because in our status quo now, which is arrange the students in the class by their age, will make the learning process not optimal, because it causes the gap in our students, because the students cannot get the specific material to their own performances because of the gap of our system nowadays. With arrange the students by their intelligence and academic performances will make the teacher become easier to transfer the lesson to the students, because the school should give the best service for the students. Because if we arrange the students by their intelligence, the learning materials become more specific. Why am I saying like that? Because, for example, more difficult material will be given to the class which include the students with high intelligence, and the easier learning material will be given to the class with low academic performances, and it will make the teacher's assignment to provide the best lesson for students become easier, and the right of the students is deserved by the students, and the students will get the best service for them, because the students with the high intelligence will be able to compete with the other students and will be motivated, and the students with low academic performances will get the best lesson for them and according to their ability. So that's why I challenge the status quo now. The students still arrange in classroom by their age, and agree with our motion today, which said that this house would arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performances rather than on their age, because it will arise the learning competition. It will give the right of the students, and it will optimize teachers to provide the lesson. So the short-term effect for our motion today is, if we use to arrange the students in classroom based on their intelligence and academic performance rather than on their age, it will make our rank become higher in PISA. And for the long-term effect from our motion today is to improve the education in Indonesia for preparing our students for global competition. So our ability of our students' ability will be improved if we use to arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performances rather than on their age. So that's why I'm really agree with our motion today, and I challenge the status quo now, which is our motion is arrange students in classrooms based on their intelligence and academic performances rather than on their age, and our status quo now, students still arrange in classroom by their age. Thank you for the judges to listening to my argument today. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.